How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. Today, I'm in my beautiful creative garage. My waders in the back drying up. My dad just called me. He said he wants to go fishing, so we are gonna go fishing because he wants to hang out. And I'm like, yeah, dude, like we go fishing. And he wants to catch some creek chub, rock bass, bluegill, smallies. You know, just the easy stuff, right? The easy stuff. We're gonna go and have a good time. By the way, if you guys are wondering why I'm making so much of these like shore, urban, small creeks, small rivers, small shore spots, you know, just simple areas that people can fish, it's because I get it. It's expensive nowadays. It's hard for you guys to travel. It's even hard for me to travel. You know, I'm trying to go out like 2-3 hours away, but gas price ain't looking so cute. So I definitely don't want to be making those trips, and especially to areas that I haven't fished in a while. So I have no idea what the updates are. I just can't dial them in within like a day, because I would have to spend at least like 2-3 days to dial it in and then make a video for you guys to show you guys like what I'm doing, how I'm catching them. But that being said, again, it's expensive. I get it. There are simple ways to catching fish, and I hope that my videos lately are helping you guys see that. You know, you can just throw cut baits. You can catch cut baits like bluegills, find shads or something like that, or use a rough fish and just use that for catfish. Or you can go and buy worms and use red worms and catch panfish like bluegills, crappies, perch. You catch rock bass. You catch smallies with it. You catch basically everything, and you don't have to spend a ton of money. All you really need is a split shot, bear hooks, or you can just use a jig head and you just find nice current seams, or find current or pond, or just a slow river in general, and you can fish from shore and catch a bunch of fish with your family, friends, and have a good time. So that's why you guys are seeing a bunch of these videos, because I feel like this is my way to reach out to you guys and to relate to you guys that just because I'm doing this fishing thing doesn't mean you have to, like, you have expensive stuff, use expensive gear, expensive lures, expensive everything, right? You don't need all that. You can go out, have a good time, and just catch some fish, because that's just what I'm about. I just love catching fish. I don't care how big, how small, whatever it is. I just like catching them. I just like fishing in general, and I hope you guys do too. So that being said, stay tuned. Peace. Got my red worms. They're gonna eat. They'll eat this stuff right here. Big juicy red worms. No, get back in here. All right, keep this outside so the oxygen gets in. Oh yeah. Here we go. There we go. Come on, rock bass. Oh, there's a rock bass right here. Right freaking here, dude. Right in front of me. There's a rock bass right in front of me. Got him. Got him. Whoa, dude. It's a nice rock bass. Haha. Dad. Look. Nice. Well, my dad found the creek chub. Alright, so we tied on a lighter jig head. We're just gonna float this thing down river. See what happens. Let's see what happens. No bob or anything. Just kind of semi-jig it back. Just hope for the best. Dude, that was so cool. Big old rock bass. Dude, that guy's huge. Got something. Oh, it's a bluegill. Haha. That's what it was. Oh, this water feels amazing. Got one. Oh, yeah, daddy. Dude, so cool. Where were you guys all this time, man? I've been looking for you guys. Alright, we made it. Just want to make sure none of these are snappers. Oh, jeez. Oh, man, I'm so stupid. What the hell am I doing? I'm gonna do it anyways. Let's see. You gotta get past this little mark. That's where the water comes out of. I don't want to get whacked with it. I'm nervous. Dude, it's so dark in here. It's creepy. Jeez. It's so dark in here. It also looks shallow too. I don't know if there's anything in here. I know. Make sure there's no raccoon or something, you know? Oh, jeez. Shit. Scared shit out of me. It's so freaking dark. I'm so spooked off, dude. Look at the spider web. It's huge. It's so freaking dark. Yeah, it's freaking dark, man. It's pretty freaking dark in here. I'm gonna fish that hole right there, but I don't think I can make it over there. Yep. Let's go back. I can't see anymore. So creepy. It's very shallow too. Oh, dude! What? That was a good fish. What was that? Oh my gosh, David, why didn't you set the hook? Dang. Oh, this is a rock bass. Dude, you're massive. Oh my gosh. Wow, look how stocky he is. Oof, the spider's on me. Go. Dude, these fish are freaking aggressive, man. It's like I have to focus just staring at the water because every time I look back to where my dad is, I can't see anymore because of the light. My pupil is like readjusting, you know? So it's hard to see my line and everything. You gotta get down lower. There we go. We're on. We got him. Not that big, but still catching a bunch of fish in this really weird bridge. Jeez, my bad. Nice. Got another one. Yeah. Dude, they're freaking inhaling it too. There's a ton of fish in here. Let's go back to that spot over there, see what happens. Let's see if I can beat this before it comes down. So sketchy. Got him. That's a smallie. Yep, that's a smallie. Right there. Oh, I see 2 rock bass right there. Got him. Yep, I got the first one. Got the first one. Not that big, but it's a rock bass. Ah, he stabbed me. It's okay. He's released. The other one is still right there. Got him. I got him. Got him. Yep, I got both of them. Jeez, relax, relax. This one's bigger. Might be the female. Jeez. Okay. I'll let you run. Dude, it's huge. Whoa. Jeez. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. Beautiful fish. Dang. Amazing. Look. This one's big too. Oh, he's gonna eat it. Got him. Yep, that's a big one. Oh my gosh, that's a big rock bass. Dude, this guy's huge. Yo, it's a big rock bass. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at him. Oh, geez, don't jump. Yes, dude. Holy cow. Golly, man. Look how big that thing is. Oh, dude. It's freaking massive. It's a beautiful fish. Whoa. A selfie with this one right here. Alright, guys. Beautiful rock bass. See ya. Dang, that thing's huge. Gosh.